Hi, I wanted to show you quickly my 3D printer PiRad. It's completely self-built. It's a polar 3D printer, so you can see it rotates its bed. So I'm out of filament, so it dangles around here. The print bed rotates and the head does a linear move, and with that it can perform all the normal operations and normal parts. You see it's kind of straight. It's not completely straight yet because it's a little bit off center. So because the centering of it is a little bit weird, you have to make sure that the print head can always move into the center, and the center can have two offsets. So either the end stop has a different offset or your rotational axis is offset in this direction. You can change this by removing some screws here and move the whole rotational bed assembly. That works. It's not great yet because you have to print a test pattern and measure it, but it's working. It's the parts are fine. You also see the back is kind of messy with cables. I will add a different acrylic, and so you are not able to see it. But otherwise, it's pretty basic. It has a display. It has a belted Z-axis. It has a Z end stop. But it doesn't have a probe yet. That's for a new update. I will probably add the Revo piezo probe for it, so I don't have to hassle with offsets. Yeah, so I will give you a quick overview here with my camera. Don't look on the white printer, it will be important in a different video. Just keep it in. I'm open for questions. See you in the next video.